Here's a really interesting LeetCode question for you to consider. Given a list of numbers, you basically want to choose either the single or double-digit numbers. If your total is bigger, then you win. So for example, in the first one, these add up to 10, and of course our double is just 10. So this will be false, there's no winner. Whereas in the second one, these singles add up to 15, beating the 14, so this one's true. The challenge is, can you write code to basically determine if there is a winner or not? Let's go through two solutions, and in the comments, see if you can figure out which one is the most efficient. So the simple way of doing this is to define two variables to keep track of the single and double digit totals, and we'll do it first on our list on line 7. We'll then iterate over each of the numbers, and then we'll say if the current number happens to be less than 10, go to the less variable and go ahead and add on this number, or if not, go ahead and add that number onto the more total here. And the way to figure out if someone's won is just to say, are these not equal to each other? So let's go ahead, print the totals, and we'll also print the result as well. So we can see here, we get 10 and 10 as our totals, and this would come out to false. And then trying again with our second list, we get 15, 14, and true. Now let's try a more complex solution using list comprehensions. Our first comprehension is going to basically say, include all the numbers that are in nums, but only if that number is less than 10. And then the other one is just going to say more than or equal to 10 here. Printing that, we see we get 5 and then 14 here. So we can then pass both of these into the sum function, getting our totals of 15 and 14. And in the middle, we can then just do our not equals operator here to get true. So given our basic solution using a single for loop, or using our second solution using list comprehensions and the sum function, feel free to post in the comments which one do you think is the more efficient solution.